Are you craving high-quality, unlimited Korean barbecue here in Manila? If you're looking for premium meats, authentic Korean side dishes, and an unforgettable charcoal grill experience, then this place deserves a spot on your food bucket list. Today we're here at PREMIER The Samgyupsal, located in Koreatown, Manila, on the second floor, 1903 M. Adriatico Street, corner Remedios Street, Malate, Manila. Let's see if this unlimited Korean barbecue experience is really worth every peso. One thing you'll immediately notice here is that quality comes first. Every order is served on their signature pig carb wooden platter, spread with premium selections of fresh, local pork and imported beef. Just look at this incredible lineup: WooSamgyup, beef Enoki, beef Bulgogi, Galbi, Samgyupsal, Moksal, spicy chicken, soy chicken, spam, and a flavorful marinated beef. Each cut is pressed, well marinated, and perfectly prepared for charcoal grilling. As soon as the meat touches the hot grill, you'll hear that satisfying sizzle while the smoky aroma fills the air. It's the kind of smell that instantly makes you hungry. Watching the meat is slowly caramelize while the juices lock inside makes every bite even more exciting. Whether you're a fan of beef, pork, or chicken, every serving is flavorful, tender, and worth grilling over and over again. Of course, a Korean barbecue experience isn't complete without unlimited Banchan. Here at PREMIER The Samgyupsal, you can enjoy more than 12 complimentary side dishes that perfectly match every grilled bite. They serve favorites like japchae, kimchi, fish cake, stir-fried baby anchovies, potato marble, tofu, sweet onion, pickled cucumber, sweet peanut, sweet potato, melted cheese, red radish pickle, pressed lettuce, steamed egg, plus the rich and spicy beef tofu soup served individually in a traditional black pot. Every meal comes with steamed rice and refreshing iced tea. The combination of smoky grilled meat and flavorful Korean side dishes creates a truly satisfying dining experience. Now let's talk about the prices. PREMIER The Samgyupsal offers several unlimited dining options to fit your cravings. Their unlimited mix, featuring pork, chicken, and beef, is available for only 688 pesos per person during their all-day promo starting at 4 p.m., including weekends and holidays. If you're dining on weekdays, You can enjoy their lunch promo for only 588 pesos per person, available from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. every Monday to Friday except holidays. What makes this place stand out isn't just the unlimited servings. It's their commitment to quality. Every serving is pressed. The meat portions are generous. The side dishes are continuously replenished. And every table is built for sharing memorable meals with family, friends, and loved ones. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply satisfying your Korean barbecue cravings, this place offers great value without compromising quality. That's why it's easy to understand why many guests keep coming back. Before you visit, here are a few reminders. There are no hidden charges. No leftovers are allowed. No takeout policy applies. Parking spaces are limited, so arriving early is recommended. They are open 24 hours a day for both dine-in and delivery. They also accept cash, debit cards, credit cards, and GCash payments. For reservations, you may contact 0927 535 7982. If you're searching for one of the best unlimited premium Korean barbecue experiences in Manila, Premier The Samgyupsal in Koreatown is definitely worth visiting. Great quality meats, unlimited Korean side dishes, reasonable prices, and an authentic Korean dining experience that keeps you coming back for more. If you enjoyed this food adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more restaurant reviews, buffet adventures, and food trips around Metro Manila. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next food adventure.